Hey crafty friends, it's Rick. I'm back with another video. Today we're making a cute little birthday card using some products from Scrappy Boy Stamps. Let's jump into it right now. Alright, I have already cut all my parts and pieces, and I have already stamped and colored my images that I have picked out for today's card, because we're going to really focus on the barn to build that up. So I've cut out a piece of white thick cardstock at 5.5 by 11 and scored it in half at 5.5 to make a square card base. I've also cut a piece of the Ham It Up pattern paper to 5 by 5. So we're going to use that on our card. So we'll go ahead and attach that first. So we're just going to take a little liquid glue, and I will go ahead and layer that on to my card base. And then I've also got that same piece of pattern paper that I'm going to add to the inside of my card. And I think we're going to use this one on the other reverse side today. So we'll go ahead and add that. So I'm going to add that to the left-hand side. When I saw this stamp set, I had to have it because, you know, I love some pigs. All right, I've cut out my first layer of the barn from some brown textured cardstock. And I just used a scrap because I knew that the barn was going to be, some of it was going to be covered up. So I'm got that layer on there. Then we're going to go ahead and add our red layer, which we have just cut from some red cardstock. And I'm going to center that a little bit into that layer. So we're working on our background first. We're going to work up back to front. So I've cut out the top of the barn from some silver cardstock. So I'll go ahead and layer that on. So we'll add that. I'm just going to layer it right there. All right, if you get glue where you don't want it, just a little tip. If you take a gum eraser, you can come right over your cardstock and just take that off just lightly. Use a light hand. You can get that off of your foil cardstock as well as your regular cardstock. All right, we've got our top part of our little barn. So I'm going to add just a little bit of glue to the back of that. And I should have brought my barn down just a tad because now we don't have room for the weather vane. We're going to put that right here, kind of centering it in between our panel right there. We do have this little decorative piece. I'm going to add that just with tiny dots of glue right over it. So I'm going to turn this around and I'm going to center that right there. And I've got my little barn door. We're going to add that. Any of that excess glue off. I'm going to add that right there. And then I've got two windows. So we're going to add a window to either side. So we'll add a little glue. I'm going to place my windows about right in there. We'll do our other window on the other side. So we'll just line that up. Get that into place. All right, so there's our card base. I'm going to go ahead and cut out our little piggies with their matching dies and their accessories, and I will be right back. All right, my friends, I've got everything die cut out. I went ahead and added some foam tape in different thicknesses behind our pieces. So we're going to go ahead and layer on our little piggies first. So we're going to take the one with her little scooter. And I'm going to have her coming in off of this side of the card. And we're going to give her their little crown. So I'm going to add a little bit of liquid glue behind it, so that it can be sitting on the top of her little head. Because we're going to say it's her birthday, so she's the queen of the day. We will add our other little pig, playing the ukulele over on this side of our card. We will add our little birthday hat on top of him. I'll peel that backing off. And then I will add liquid glue as well. So he's going to be wearing this little party hat over on that side. We've got our little cupcake. And put it right over here. We've got our balloons. We're going to have them coming off over here, off to the side. And then I have my sentiment that's going to say, "Squeal, it's your birthday." So we're going to do this one kind of right there on that side, kind of cattywampus. And then we'll do our other part, kind of right in there. And we can take and come in if we need to add any additional highlights to our project. We can. I'm going to add a little right there on that. Her face. Add some to our little barn. And then a little to our balloons. Our party hat right there. I did want to brighten up their eyes a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit to each one of their little snouts. To add some to our scooter. Clean up any area where we need to clean up anything. Add some right there. Yes, I adore pigs. I think they're cute. All right, my friends, here is a look at our finished card, our 5.5 by 5.5 inch square card. Here's a look at the inside. We have plenty of room to write a personal message. Here's a closer look at the card. You can see how that all came together real cute. If you like this video, you're going to like the one coming up right over there. I'll see you in that video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.